So we're going to start standing. I'm going to do this one from the side so y'all can see me. Let me scoot this back just a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is keep our feet together. Just let our body just dead hang. Just dead hang. Grab the back of the legs, pull a little bit further. Now from here, move your hands up to your knees. You're going to push your kneecaps back, lift your head up, flatten out that back. And take it back down. And just let your body dead hang. Now from here, you're going to pull that core tight, and you're going to come up one vertebrae at a time. You're going to come up nice and slow, nice and slow. Push those hips forward and lean back. All right. Now we're going to come down into a 4-point stance. We're going to stretch a lot on our backs today. We're going to do a couple things, mostly for the spine. We're going to do a lot of spine mobility. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a couple cat-cow. So cat-cow, we're going to exhale, rotate our hips in. Inhale, rotate our hips out. We're going to do 5 of those. All right? Ready? So let's exhale, rotate in. Inhale, rotate out. 1. Exhale, rotate in. Inhale, rotate out. Exhale, rotate in. Inhale, rotate out. Rotate in. And done. Now from here, we're going to do hip circles. So what I'm trying to do is I'm really trying to push my hip out to the side. I want to feel this stretch right at the top of my glute. So I'm pushing it. We're gonna do 3 rotations one way, then we're gonna go the opposite. I'm gonna push my hip to the right, come down, up, and around. Then we're gonna go opposite direction. Now from there, come to the middle, push yourself back into child's pose. Now really elongate those arms. Now from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop the ground and just cobra up. So go to your own comfort level. If you can fully extend, fully extend. If not, just kind of, again, partially come up. Come down, push yourself back. So we're gonna be now tabletop. Now from here, I'm gonna take my arm, chop it down, and I'm gonna drop that shoulder. And come up, switch. And we're gonna do both sides one more time. So come up, switch arms. Come up, last one. And come up. All right, from there, we're gonna sit, and I want you to hug your knees. So what we're gonna do from here is we're just going to fall back. Now I'm not gonna force my knees to my chest. I'm just gonna slowly bring them in, exhale, and release. Exhale, bring them in and release. I'm just doing little knee hugs. Stretch out that lower lumbar, right where it meets the tailbone. Now what I want you to do with your knees is bring your knees out wide. So before I was knees in, now I'm gonna bring them out wide. I'm gonna do the same thing. Now I'm gonna feel this a little bit more in my hips and lower back combined. All right, from there, I'm gonna put my arms out to the side. My knees are up. Now I'm gonna exhale and just let my knees fall to the side. So this is team spine mobilization. So my arms are still out. I wanna make sure my shoulder blades are on the ground. Now when I go up and over, I'm not just gonna lift my legs up. I wanna tighten my core. So I'm gonna take a deep breath Inhale, tighten the core. I'm gonna come up, and then exhale, drop it down to the side. Take a deep breath, take it up. Exhale, drop it down. Take a deep breath, inhale, up, and exhale, drop it down to the other side. And come up. All right, left leg out, right leg up. We're gonna just drop it down. This one I wanna feel more in the glute and the lower back. And come up. Other leg up. And drop it down. And come up. And let's do one more each side. Right leg up and over. And up. Other leg up and over. And up. All right, so now I'm gonna put my right leg over my left. I'm gonna grab my left leg and I'm pulling this leg back. Let's say if you can't reach this straight leg, what you can do is hug and hook your leg, the bent knee leg, and just pull back. Otherwise, you can just grab the straight leg and pull it back like this. And down, let's switch. And relax. All right. So that is it for the basic stretching portion. If you have a foam roller, grab your foam roller, and we're going to start on our calf muscles. All right. All right. So we're on the calf, and just inch by inch, work your way up and back down. And after you do a couple rolls, angle the toes out and get the outer part of those calf muscles. Next, we're going to move to the hamstrings. All the way forward and back. All right, now we're gonna go single hamstring, and this is where we're gonna really go slower and go all the way up and down the muscle. So inch by inch, just roll it out. All right, let's switch legs. You can put this opposite leg over to get a little bit more resistance, because you're really trying to dig in and work out any of those knots. And relax. All right, let's take it to the glutes. Just sit on it. Use those legs to propel you forward and back. Now from there, I want you to actually go into a butterfly stretch. I always like doing this for the outer glutes. Then from there, I really want to dig into the actual muscle itself. I have to turn on my side. So I'm going to twist from here. Now I'm really going to come all the way up to my hip bone. So wherever the top of that is called the iliac crest, I'm going to come all the way up, really get on the top of that hip. That's where the tendon can really actually kind of bunch up a little bit, right where it attaches the muscle to the bone. That's what the tendon does. We have so many little muscles all around our pelvis. We want to make sure that we're trying to get them all. Then you can slowly just work your way down that glute. And you can sit on a little bit, kind of find that sensitive spot. Then from the glute, work your way down that IT band. All right, let's switch sides. So come all the way up to that hip bone. Dig in. Then come down to the glute. Again, take whatever time you need, wherever you feel it the most. That's where you really want to zone in on. And just dig into that muscle. All right, so next we're gonna go to the lower back. Sometimes it helps tuck in your shirt because it's sometimes when a roll, you'll get caught up in the roller. So inch by inch, go up and down the body. Usually the first roll, I keep my elbows out to the side. I want to let it dig in to the normal surface. Then when I go back, I'm actually going to elongate my arms. It's going to stretch out my shoulder blades to allow this to dig in so I can loosen up those neck muscles. So, if you feel it more on one side, tilt to that side a little bit. You know, elongate that arm, dig into that lat. From there, you hit the other side. To get a couple big rolls all the way up and back, and keep doing that for however long that you need. But that is it. Thank you for our, again, just 15 minutes stretch foam roll. That's all you need to just loosen up. And again, if you're feeling really tight, and take 5 minutes while you're watching Netflix or something later and just roll out. Just hit those same muscles. Yeah, just keep your body loose. And again, we hope to see you either tomorrow morning with Justin. He has his full body hit. Then Monday, we have our normal morning workout, and then we're adding vinyasa flow yoga. So again, that's going to be a full hour of stretching and actual, again, full yoga routine. done by an instructor. It's going to be awesome. So have a great rest of your Saturday. We hope to see you then. All right, everybody, take care.